go, take a stroll for a while. Burn the blacktop.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. It's been several weeks since I have sat down and filmed a YouTube video. December was kind of a rough month for me and my family for just a few different reasons. Hi!
Hi.
Kiss. Kiss. Kiss! I am going to continue on with my YouTube channel in 2019. I'm going to try my very best to grow my channel. I created a schedule, uploading schedule for the year. Here we are at the first DIY Monday, which also happens to be New Year's Day. Yeah, I have my new little Chinese calendar up. I really like it just because it reminds me of Chinatown in New York City. And if you know me, you know how much I love New York City. Today's first DIY of the year is pink hair. I'm doing a really beautiful shade of like dark raspberry pink. I'm using these semi-permanent cream hair color from Color Brilliance. The shade is Radiant Raspberry. It also says Intensive Shine, which is good because I get the dry hair. This is last 10 to 15 shampoos, Illumina Shine, no peroxide, and it's vegan if that matters to you. These are only $5.99 a box, so affordable for a budget. I have about 3.2 stars online and at sallysbeauty.com, and I did get these in store at Sally's Beauty. I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to start this 2019 transformation. Before I finish this video, I swear I'm going to do my nails. So, in a crazy turn of events, my hair dye gloves are gone. But here we are. This looks horrible. Our bathroom light is broken, so I'm using this lamp. Okay, well I put it on top of the medicine cabinet. If it falls, I'll definitely get a concussion or die. That is so dark, and it's gonna stain my hand. Okay, I'm getting really annoyed and pissed off, so I'm just gonna wing this. I'm not gonna try to do this like professionally or anything. As you can see, a lamp just fell. I can't even really see what I'm doing. So while my hands are clean, I'll take a minute to say I did finish the first tube. So far the pros are there's not a heavy fume, there's not really any fumes or really harsh smells of chemicals or anything like that. Texture is pretty easy to work with, so I was expecting something more pink, definitely something more pink. I'm okay with it. My hair has been coming out in like clumps as I'm putting the product in. I don't think it's from the product. My hair's been doing that lately, so pray for me. Alright guys, I finished applying the color. So to be honest, it was like not very easy. I'm just really annoyed. We'll see how this looks after and when my transformation is finished. Well, I kind of let the color sink in. I'm actually going to be using this cake bath bomb and taking a little relaxing bath. This is by Depop Bath Fizzers. I got this for Christmas from my younger sister. Shout out to you. This is a little cake bath bomb with sprinkles, and it says this is an almond buttercream bath fizzer, which sounds awesome. And it also says there's a surprise inside. This smells really good. It smells like kind of like Christmas cookie dough. Hello guys, it's the next morning and I already straightened my hair, so here is the final product as for hair. I have to say I really love the color. I thought it was going to be like a bright fuchsia. I definitely thought it was going to be more pink, but it's more purple. And either way, I think it's really beautiful, and I'm just kind of sad that it's going to wash out over time. But the last step is I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup and nails and show you guys the finished product of this transformation.
Scotch on the rug, always an exercise in futility. Hold me, even if it makes you lonely. It can't be good for us if all we do is fight.
So this is the final results, guys. I'm in like a really big rush right now, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned the rest of the year. It's going to be an amazing year. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time.